How to join or merge multiple audio files into one on your mobile device. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how to easily merge multiple audio files into a single file on your mobile phone. Without any further delay, let us just jump right in. First thing you're going to have to do is download an application from your Google Play Store or App Store. I'll just tap on the Play Store option to open it up. Then go over to the search bar at the bottom right. And then here you're going to have to search for a app called Audiolab and hit enter. Now you'll find this link right up top, Audiolab Audio Editor Recorder. Tap on the install button right besides it. Now we'll start installing the application. Once you have your application downloaded, you can just open it up. Now simply go ahead and tap on the open button here to open up the application. Then you're going to have to set up the app first. Tap on the right arrow at the bottom right corner. Now keep tapping it. You have an option to grant storage permission, so go ahead and tap on grant. Tap on allow. Then keep tapping next. You can turn on notification if you want. I'll just leave it as it is. Change battery usage. I'll just leave it as it is as well. You can also contact support. Just keep tapping next and then tap on done. Now there are quite a few options you can do here. You can advanced trim, simple trim, two-wave trim, and more. I'll just go ahead and click on this merge icon, tap on it, and then you can just select which audio files you want to merge. So I'll just head over to artists for now, and then go to folder. And from your all tracks, you could easily select the audio files you want to combine as well. This one right over here. And then I can do another one. So I'll just do this one right over here. You can see the list down below. And once you have selected your audio files that you want to merge, I'll just do this one as well. And then finally, I'll just do this. All right, so I've got quite a few files here to merge. Now, once that is done, tap on the check mark at the top right. And then it's going to give you a playback. So just go ahead and tap on play. And then it'll play the another sound. So once all of the sound have been played, that's basically how it's going to sound when all of them are merged. Now you can just tap on the save button. And then you can just add transitions if you want as well. I don't want anything, so I'll just tap on merge. And you're good to go. So that's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.